Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive remanufacturing center specializing in industrial gearbox repair. We work on brands such as Falk, Philadelphia, Flender, Hanson, Linkbelt, Marley, Bonfiglione, and so forth. Here at National Gear Repair, if you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer get parts for, we could reverse engineer and manufacture all necessary gearing and shafts to the exact same Bernil hardness and Rockwell hardness. We manufacture gears such as helical, herringbone, foot herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we do offer 24-hour emergency rush repair and manufacturing. We also offer free freight nationwide, as well as free quotes. At National Gear Repair, all our work here is warranted for 24 months from the date of installation. Please continue to watch these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Thank you for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair again. As you clearly seen in the video tutorial, we did a rebuild on this gearbox. This was done over Mother's Day weekend, actually, Saturday and Sunday of 2019. We are now performing a bi-directional test on this this Flender gearbox dual extruder. Chris, why don't you go ahead? Let's get a directional test on that. We're getting full rotations. This is what's set back with a timing key. Okay. Let's get a reverse on that now if we can, Chris. And as you can clearly see, no issues with this. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our videos here at National Gear Repair. Thank you again.